Yo, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Got a tutorial plan for y'all today. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do the zero. I don't know why it's called that. I don't know who made it up, but let's get into it. All right, so before we actually jump into the tutorial, as always, you know what you got to do. Like the video, and if you are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You guys liking the video, and commenting and stuff like that, it helps us push the video into the algorithm, which gets seen by other people. All right, so don't be stingy, help out. There might be somebody out there that's looking for these videos, so go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. I also do a group skate class every Saturday from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So if you are in the Tampa Bay area, go ahead and check that out. I do one-on-one private classes as well. My schedule is about to get really, really busy. I just got a second job, so it's going to be really, really tight to get privates in, but I do offer them. DiamondSkates.com. All the details are there, so check that out. If you need more detailed help with your skating, check that out. Let's get into the tutorial. Now, this move is pretty simple. There's like two main movements to it. Here's what you're gonna wanna do, okay? Let's start off with our left skate. All right, so you're gonna bring your left skate out in front like this. Make sure that you're balanced, make sure that you're not rolling, make sure that you're not wobbly. All right, so do that. I'm gonna roll my right skate out, boom, like that. Now watch, I'm going to actually pivot to the left, okay? So my right skate is gonna go to the right, and my left skate is going to pivot to the left, like this, okay? So let's try that. So right skate goes out in front like this, then I'm going to turn to the left, boom. All right, so how I'm doing that is I'm pressing down onto my left skate. I'm pressing down on the toes so I can lift up the heel to pivot. All right, so let me do that again, super slow. From here, as you see, I'm pressing down on the toe and turning it like that, okay? Now from here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna basically do a dribble, which I'll probably do a tutorial on that on the next video. But basically, all you're gonna do is you're gonna alternate your skate. So alternate like that. Now you're going to alternate again, boom. So now your left skate is out in front, and you're gonna do the same thing, just this time you're going to pivot to face the front, okay? So with the left skate out in front like this, we're gonna actually pivot to the right, which is going to put us back in the front, okay? So that is pretty much the zero. It's just this way, pivot, switch, up, pivot. That is pretty much it. Of course, there's a lot more that goes into it. Let me spend a little bit more time before we actually go forward. Okay, so again, right skate out in front like this. Now, I'm going to throw my right skate to the right, and I'm pivoting to the left. Okay, so boom. Now watch. Boom. See that? And also, if you have toe stops, like toe stoppers in, you can also use those as well. So let's say if you're doing it and you're like rolling a lot, one thing that you can do to stop that is put your toe plug down, or your toe stopper, like that. See that? So try that if you are rolling. So boom, to the side, switch, okay? Then switch again to where your left is out in front. Then you're just gonna pivot, boom, to the front. See that transition? From here, boom, cool? From here, you're going to alternate again, boom, boom, turn, boom, boom, turn, boom, boom, turn, boom. This is pretty much it, okay? So just work on this exercise right here. Take your time, super slow. Keep Keep your hands out for balance. Boom. Switch, switch, turn to the front, switch, switch, turn to the side. Super easy. The next level is, so right now we're mostly keeping our wheels onto the ground. Now what I want you to try to do is I want you to try to go onto your heel. So when you kick, just kick your heel. Okay? So from here, boom. Okay? Now alternate. Now this time, same thing. When you kick on your heel. Boom. Okay? Back. Alternate. Heel. Back. Alternate. Heel. Back. Cool? Alternate. Heel. Back. Boom. Okay? Work on this. Then if you're ready to go up to the next level, let me know. All right, let's do it. The next level, we've just been moving kind of in the same spot. We've been moving in the same direction. But as always, I don't like being confined to like this little box because it gets boring. So we have to figure out a way to move around. All right, so and how you do that by whenever you kick. So let's say if I'm kicking right here, I'm going to spend more time. So I'm kind of going to do like a little spin. So let's say if I didn't want to start right here, let's say if I wanted to start right here, right? You can pretty much start the zero wherever you want. You don't have to just keep it in that little box. So how I just did that is I basically did a 180. So from here, right, I'm turning my whole body, boom, around like that. So now that I'm facing the back. Okay, let's try that. So I'm kicking from here, turning around. Okay, so let's kind of do like a little spin. So boom, boom, right? Now, same thing. So alternate, boom, kick. You're gonna do another little spin, boom. See, now you're facing forward. So instead of just doing these little quarter turns, you're now doing 180s. Boom, okay? So work on that. So kick, 180, alternate, kick, 180, alternate, kick, boom, kick, boom. Cool? Work on that. And I'll be honest, that's pretty much it. I mean, if you want to, you can do a 360. That's not really a beginner. That's not really a beginner thing, but I'm already out here. I'm already doing the shit, so I might as well show you. So same thing as the 180. This one, you're really going to have to spin though, okay? So whenever you go to kick, you're going to really do a spin, kick. Maybe that's a different tutorial because I'm not trying to confuse y'all. If you are a beginner skater and you're watching this, you're probably like, what the hell are you talking about? Spin. I don't know how to stop. So let me slow it down. Let me slow it down because I don't want to overwhelm y'all. But something else you can do now that I'm thinking about it, instead of doing the quarter turn this way and turn it back forward, what you can do, you can just do side to side. So it's similar to like the 180, but you're just going boom, side. See? From here. So from here to the side, alternate, kick, side, alternate, kick, side, alternate, kick, side, kick, side. Boom. Okay? This is something else that you can do. And you can kind of just play with it. You can kind of go wherever you want. But just keep it clean. Make sure that you're actually doing the movement correctly, because there's nothing worse than seeing someone kind of fumbling all over the place. They mean well. Don't get me wrong. They mean well, but their body's kind of like, yo, we ain't ready for that yet. Y'all know who I'm talking about. Y'all seen them. All right. I just don't want y'all to be one of them. I would rather y'all just keep it clean, keep it smooth, and do just these little tiny movements. Since I got some time today, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot from the back, just so you can kind of see an angle from the back, because it could be confusing trying to mirror me. So let me just run through it real quick, facing the back. Okay, so right skate is going to go out like this, right? Now I am going to pivot, turn to the left, boom. Okay, try that again. So right skate out. Now my right skate is going to go to the back. My left skate is going to pivot in. So it's going to pivot, boom, like that, okay? Now from here, you're just going to alternate. So you're going to do a dribble, boom. Now from here, you're going to kick, and now you're going to pivot to the front, okay? So right skate is going to pivot to the front, left skate is going to pivot to the back, which is going to be the back, okay? So from here, boom. Okay, so try that again. Left skate's out in front, boom. Okay, same thing. Dribble, kick, pivot. Dribble, kick, pivot. Dribble, kick, pivot. Dribble, kick, pivot. Okay, get used to doing this. Just get comfortable kicking, dribbling, doing the pivot, okay? And then you can speed it up once you get it. Same thing with kind of doing like the 180, or I'm not sure what you would call the side to side. I'll just call it the side to side. So I'm kicking right here, going to the side. Now, when I go to alternate, when I go to kick, boom, I'm going to turn myself sideways. Alternate, kick, sideways. Alternate, kick, sideways. Okay, so that transition, it is kind of more of a spin. So whenever you kick, my weight is going to be on, most of my weight is going to be on the leg that I'm not kicking with. So that's going to be my left. So if I'm kicking on this one, when I go to pivot, my weight's going to be right here on my left, okay? So watch. I'm turning in. So I'm kind of doing like a turn, like a spin. So boom, boom. Try that. Try to do a 180. Kick. Boom. And you see, I'm kind of using my hands, my arms to kind of like rotate me around. So try that again. Kick. Boom. Alternate. Kick. See, my arms are ready. Throw me around. Boom. Alternate. Kick. Boom. 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 Boom, boom, boom. Okay. All right. That's how it looks from the back. Let me see if I'm missing anything else. I could probably do some close-ups, but yeah, probably get those next time. That is pretty much on the zero. Next week I will probably do dribbles, so that's very popular. I'll probably do that next week. But yeah. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Also like the video. All right. And if you know anyone who needs help with their skating, send them to my page. All right. Yeah, that is it. Hope you all have fun. Hope you all learned something, and I will catch y'all next time. All right. Later.